Can you find the equivalent resistance between X and Y in just a few seconds? Wait, this circuit looks complicated, but it's actually super easy. Pause the video right now and comment your answer before proceeding for the solution. Let's see if you can solve it correctly. Welcome to Electrical Engineering XYZ, where we solve electrical engineering problems in the simplest way. First, focus only on the two terminals, X and Y. Now, trace the wires. The left side of all three 15 ohm resistors is connected to X, and the right side of all three is connected to Y. That means all three resistors are in parallel. To make this easier to understand, nodes of the same color are marked in green and yellow. Observe the colors and arrow directions. Using the parallel formula, we obtain the equivalent resistance of 5 ohms. So, final answer is 5 ohm. Moral of the story: in circuit problems, don't fear the shape, follow the nodes. Did you get the correct answer? Subscribe to Electrical Engineering XYZ for more quick and easy electrical engineering solutions.